Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be making lemon pepper chicken wings. I know you saw that preview before we got to this clip. So yes, we are going to go ahead and get these wings started. This will be my first time. I didn't have any lemon pepper seasoning, so I went ahead and used my own things. So we got some Larry seasoning. We got the garlic powder. We have some onion powder. We have some black pepper and a stick of butter. We have total seasoning. And then we have just a few dried onion flakes, and then we got some chicken wings. Alright guys, before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright guys, so right here we do have the chicken wings. I'm just gonna go ahead and put all those seasonings into this bowl with the chicken. We have the onion powder, the garlic powder, the black pepper, and that total seasoning. The onion. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and squeeze that lemon into the bowl. Do not get any of the seeds into the bowl like I did, but that's okay because I got it out, guys. But yep, so you just want to go ahead and squeeze that lemon in there. I did use a whole lemon, but that was just half of the lemon that I did just show, but I did use a whole lemon. I squeezed in there. Then you want to just mix it all up. Mix everything up and get all those good flavors all on that chicken. And you can see that it's nicely seasoned, and that parsley makes it look so beautiful. And just keep tossing. Now these chicken wings, they did come out of a bag. Next time I would use the fresh chicken wings. These were frozen. So I would not do the frozen wings. I would actually do the fresh chicken wings next time. But look at that, guys. It looks delicious. Delicious. Oh, so yeah, I just needed a little more Larry seasoning. You gotta go in with a nut with um, a second pour and some more lemon, just to make sure it's got that lemon flavor. That looks like it's gonna be so delicious. Went in with the tongs. Alright guys, now we are gonna go ahead and get the air fryer all set for us. We are going to preheat the air fryer. So that's what I'm going to be doing shortly. I'm going to go ahead and preheat the air fryer. You can fry your chicken. I'm just trying to stay a little healthier. So I would have fried the chicken wings. But I'm doing them in the air fryer here. And you just want to go ahead and place the wings on your air fryer tray. You don't want to put too many wings on the tray. You want to allow the air to flow throughout each piece of chicken sections. So don't overfill your air fryer. So that's what we are doing here. Just putting in a few pieces of chicken wings. And we're just gonna go ahead and stick it in the air fryer, guys. In the air fryer it goes. Alright guys, so this is the butter sauce that we're going to be making to go on those chicken wings once they come out that air fryer. We're going to go ahead and take that stick of butter. Mine's is non-salted. And then you want to put those lemon zest in that, um, in the butter, and whatever you're going to use to melt the butter. And then you want to squeeze all that lemon juice into that butter. Again, do not put the seeds in there like I just did. But I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove those seeds, so no problem. And you just want to go ahead and squeeze all those lemons in there, get all that good juice out of there. And then you want to season your butter. And again, most people use the lemon pepper seasoning. I didn't have any, but I was craving some lemon pepper chicken wings, so I created my own seasoning. So yeah, you can go ahead and use whatever seasonings you like or prefer. You just go ahead and add that into that butter, as long as you have the lemon zest and that lemon juice into that butter sauce. You're good to go. You're all set. And maybe some total seasoning with the parsley and the pepper. You can't forget the pepper. You could do the black pepper like I have it. You can ground your black pepper, crush your black pepper, however you prefer. This is what I had on hand, so I used the ground black pepper. Um, but yeah, look at that, guys. Just a little bit, tad bit of salt. Don't want to use too much salt. Trying to stay away from the sodium. So just want to use a little bit of salt, guys. We're going to throw this in the microwave. I do believe I put it on about 30 seconds into the microwave. So we're going to set that aside. Let's check on these wings. Let's see how they are. Mmm. Look at that. They are coming out really good. Alright, so I had it on 350. Here is the finished product of my wings. And they are pretty crunchy. I didn't have to use any oil or anything like that. They were really tasty. There go that butter sauce, guys, and look at those wings. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, stay safe and blessed. Love you guys. Bye. Look at those wings. Bye, guys.